Right. We'll continue the process of finding derivative of a given function in the order. That means when a problem is given, you must be able to decide which method it comes under. That is the reason I started giving you a list of methods: UV rule, U by V rule, and then chain rule. Just to start writing. Now, differentiation of parametric equations. That means parametric differentiation. Indirectly, it is like the chain rule only. Suppose y is equal to function of t. X is a function of t. What is meaning? There are two functions named as y and x. Between y and x, there is third person. They are asking dy by dx. There is a third variable, or else you say third person, or else parameter. What is the parameter here? T. Because t is a parameter in between, if you eliminate, you get the Cartesian equation. That is why they are called parametric. For that, what is general working rule? dy by dt f dash t. Then what is dx by dt? G dash t. Now we want dy by dx. Combine these two. How you will combine? Dy by dt by dx by dt. Dt cancel, therefore it becomes dy by dx. Then what is dy by dt here? F dash t. Then dx by dt, g dash. This process is called differentiation of parametric equations. Okay. But here danger is sometimes answers will be in terms of t or in terms of x and y. Therefore, according to options also you have to give answers, solutions. Example I will give you is first example, which is very common in all the textbooks, in all exams, even in NDA CET also this problem is possible, and you are getting this in PUC for 1 mark question. X equal to 8 square, y is equal to 280. It is understood that equations represent parabola. That is why they are called parametric equations of a parabola. How I say it is a parabola? You can eliminate this third person here. That third parameter t will we can eliminate. How you can eliminate from this? T value 2a by y. Y by 2a. Okay. Y by 2a. This y by 2a substitute here. X is equal to a into t square, y square by 4a square, 1a cancel, cross multiply, y square is equal to 4a x. Parabola. Cartesian means it is in terms of x and y. Once you take this equation, differentiate. What is y square derivative? 2y, and derivative of y with respect to x simple. 4a constant, x derivative 1. Then what is dy by dx value finally? 2 cancel, 2a by y. What is observation here? You got the derivative in terms of y. Derivative can be given in any formation, either in y or x, both, or if it is parametric, in parameter. Now you see, I will show you the difference. Here, x is in terms of t, like this. What is dx by dt? A constant, t square derivative. What is y derivative? With the t, because variable is t, dy by and t derivative. Now we want dy by dx. How you will find dy by dx? Dy by dt by dx by dt. Now you see here 2a by 2at. Finally, what is the answer? In the answers they can give derivative can be in terms of t. Answer is 1 by t. If they give in terms of t, no, they are not giving in 1 by t. In terms of x, suppose, how you write in terms of x from this? What is t square value? X by a. Then what is t value? Root x by a. Hence what is 1 by t value? Root a by root x. This is also possible answer. First answer, second answer. What is the next chance possible? In terms of y. How to get in terms of y? From this, what is t value? Already I gave here. Because y is 2at, t is equal to y by 2a. Then what is the answer here? 2a by y. See, 3 answers we are getting. That is why it is called dangerous problem. Question getting solution is not big issue. Type of ABCD will be a problem sometimes. Some questions will be depend on ABCD. Answers can be in any form. That also very important. What you will get answer may not be ABCD. So that is the reason you must be able to find out what kind of answers or options they are asking. According to that also we have to try. Okay, this is about one example with parametric. Okay. Suppose if possible, answer is in terms of x and y. Instead of finding this parametric, you can eliminate in the beginning only, like this problem. You will get the answer. If you do like this, it will go one side only, directly one side. No multiple options, directly answer will come. In terms of y or x, anyway it will come. Okay, this is the reason. This method is very, very important, useful. Okay, now second example, x is equal to a cos theta. All this I am giving, which are there in the textbook also. Okay, a sin theta or b sin theta, anyway I can take. A b is not big issue here. I took a, that is the reason. Okay. Next time I will give a and b. Now you see here, what to do? If you eliminate the third person, theta, how to eliminate from this? X by a cos theta, y by a sin theta. How to eliminate the cos theta here? Squared. Squared is coming. What is that squared here? Squaring and adding. Then what you will get? X squared by a square, y squared by b square is y squared by a square. A square cross multiply, which is called circle equation. Cartesian, means in terms of x and y. Cartesian equation. Now differentiate here. X square derivative, y square derivative, and then RHS, y dy by dx minus x, and then derivative is minus x by y. Answer is finished. It is containing both x and y. This is called directly differentiation of equation in terms of x and y. You are getting answer. But here, if you apply above method, x x is in terms of theta. Dx by d theta. A into minus sin theta. Dy by d theta. A into cos theta. From this, combine them. Hence, dy by dx can be written as same method you have to do in PUC also solution. Little bit 2 or 3 marks problem. A cos by minus a sin minus cot theta. Answer is finished. Can be in terms of theta. But now we are doing in a different way. See, you got the minus a sin theta now. What is a sin theta here? So, minus 1. A cos theta. What is a cos theta actually? X. Substitute here. Minus y by dy by d theta. First, this one. Minus dy by d theta minus x by y. Answer you got? What is advantage here? First you are eliminating and then doing differentiation. You are not eliminating, at the end you are eliminating. First differentiation, elimination. First elimination, next differentiation. It depends on problem which is possible best you can select. Okay, that is the advantage of parametric equations can be done in any method, either the elimination first or at the end. This problem I gave you reason that this equation represents a circle. Right. Now, in the place of A, suppose if I give B, now you see that x is equal to A cos theta. B sin theta. Why we are writing this example? Here, what is the equation for elimination process? X by A cos theta. Y by B sin theta. Again squaring and adding x square by A square. What is this type of equation? Somewhere you got ellipse. It represents ellipse. That is the reason all first 4 examples I am giving, which are there already in your either differentiation problems or in the coordinate geometry. Now, this equation you have differentiated 2x constant, 2y constant, and y derivative. Then 2 cancel, y by b square minus x by a square. Then what is derivative? Minus x by y, b square by a square. Completed. This is the answer in terms of x and y both. Okay. First we eliminated and then we did differentiation. Now we start first differentiation on the dx by d theta minus a sin theta dy by d theta b cos theta. Combine them, which will give dy by dx is dy by d theta by. To understand all the steps we are writing, it is not necessary in the exam for object type. Finish the solution only fast. What is the answer we got? Minus b by a cot theta. If you put a equal to b, you get this answer. Okay? Right. You got answer in terms of theta, but answer is in terms of x, y. They gave ABCD. You did this method, suppose. They gave answer is this one. Your approach is this one, which is not there. Now again you have to continue. Now you see. You got answer here minus a sin theta now. What is sin theta value? Y by b. Minus A by B into y. What is dy by d theta? B cos theta. What is cos theta value? X by A. Now write down first dy by d theta na this value by minus A by B. It will go up to okay. When it goes up to minus b square by a square into x by, then we can see the answer is there in ABCD. This is extra. That is why both methods, if you are ready in ABCD, any one you can select. That is the important problem. Now next example I will write, that is about in geometry next one only. What is geometry next one? Now you see I will write here. X is equal to A secant theta, y is equal to B tan theta. Find dy by dx. If you eliminate theta, what you will get? That is also important. From this, x by a, from this, y by b, squaring and subtracting, x square by a square. Why? Because secant square minus tan square is 1. What is that equation represents? Hyperbola. That is a hyperbola is the coordinate geometry. That is the reason in this unit I gave first 4 examples, very common, almost every exam. One of the 4 will come. Okay. Now, to this, if you differentiate, same plus becomes minus, that means this minus not there only. Okay. This minus not there. Therefore, plus. Now you see. X derivative with respect to theta. Secant x derivative, we know secant x tan x. Y derivative with theta. Tan theta derivative. Completed. Dy by dx is equal to what is next? One secant cancel. Change into sin and cos. Secant is 1 by cos and this is cos by sin. Sin by cos, 1 by tan means cos by sin. Cancel. B by a, 1 by sin is cosecant theta. This is one answer in the differentiation, derivative. But suppose if they gave answer in terms of x and y, suppose, now you see, from this, what is a secant theta? X. Tan theta value, y by b. Here. What is secant square theta from this? Secant square, x square by a square. Now substitute here dy by d theta first. This one by xy by b. 1x cancel, b square by a square, x by y. I told positive sign. So this is called derivative in terms of x and y. This is derivative in terms of theta. So for examples I give. Like that, there are some more examples. Where any method, model where you have in any material, you have to apply. You can get the answers only. No difficult. Okay, some are there in the material also. When we start doing problems from material, you will get that. Now, after parametric, differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. Already we know trigonometric inverse functions. 6 functions, sin inverse, cos inverse, all that we have. One problem I will show you method first, so that in the exam maybe directly not getting answer formula, you can do method. Y is equal to sin inverse x, problem is given, and they will ask you even in PUC SRF question dy by dx. Okay, inverse function is there. And what is the general common procedure? Eliminate the inverse. From this, what is x value? Sin y. That means x is in terms of y. Now, differentiate the x with respect to y. Dx by dy. What is the answer? Cos y. Now you have to write the answer in terms of x. We know cos theta in identity is root of 1 minus sin square. And what is the sin y here? Root of x square. We want dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by dx by dy only. Ratio will be reversed. But what is that 1 by? This is a common method for all the 6 functions. Whenever inverse is given, the same procedure, even in POC, eliminate the inverse. Suppose the second also I will give you y is equal to cos inverse x. Now, eliminate inverse, x is equal to cos y. First step over. Differentiate the x with y. What is cos derivative? Minus sin y. Now change y. Minus sin square is root 1 minus cos square only. Now, what is cos y here? X square. Now we want dy by dx again, which is 1 by dx by dy, and hence minus 1 by root of all these problems important formula. Same differentiation we are getting in integration, reverse process. Here, this is the problem, this is answer. What is reverse? This is the problem, this will be answer. Reverse process. Anti means reverse. Anti process of differentiation called integration. That is why differentiation, integration both are equally powerful, important. So I gave you the second function, cos inverse x derivative. Once you get cos inverse, all are same only. One more also I will give you. Suppose if it is called third problem, what is derivative of tan inverse x? If you get the answer formula directly, it is important also. Formula you should know everything. Because using this inverse functions, you have so many problems for chain rule. Function of function. Sin inverse of root x, sin inverse of log x, like that we are getting. All are important. Therefore, we have to practice more. How to find here? What is by definition of inverse trigonometry? X is equal to tan y. Then dx by dy. Tan derivative secant square. Then what is the relation between tan and secant square? Then we know identity secant square is 1 plus tan square. What is tan y here? X. Therefore, now we need dy by dx, and hence completed. All this I am doing again, actually time waste only. Directly I can start problems based on this units. But why I am doing? Because all waste fellows are not attending seriously POC methods. That time they are sleeping. Sleeping and eating. That is the reason. Again I am giving methods also equally revision for PUC. All waste only for me. Objective means we can start directly formula and then questions. Still I am giving. Okay. Only because you are all not utilizing properly. That is why I am doing again. Fourth one, cot inverse. X is equal to cot y. Differentiate x with respect to y. Dx by dy. What is cot theta derivative? Minus cosecant square. And then minus of 1 plus cot square theta, we know cosecant square identity. That means minus of 1 plus x square. Therefore dy by dx we want, but we got dx by dy, and then we can express like this, and hence it is equal to minus 1 by this is called derivative of cot inverse x. Okay. Then similarly you can prove that what is the derivative of secant inverse x? Dy by dx 1 by x root x square minus 1. What is cosecant inverse derivative? Minus 1 by x root x square minus 1. Same procedure. All 6 functions. Sometimes you have some problems. Some are with positive, some are with negative. How you will identify which one is negative? Earlier also I told you. See, cos inverse, cot inverse, cosecant inverse are negative. C functions they are called. C functions means starting with C. The function starts with C, derivative definitely negative. Either ordinary derivative or inverse derivative. Cos x derivative minus sign, cosecant also minus, like that. And hence remember which one is negative, which one is positive, which is starting with C. Therefore, inverse trigonometric functions differentiation, 6 functions formula proofs I give, same practice, but you know the formula, that is important. Directly formula we need for all objective questions. Using these results, I will do next unit, and then the combination of above methods, interlinking, chain rule with this UV rule, inverse function, composite function, everything we are doing. With that, next method is very powerful. We are doing guarantee problem, SLF question. Logarithmic differentiation will be in the next class, very important. Okay, enough.